Hello, in this video I will show you how to model window using point cloud in SketchUp with the help of UNDET tools. So let's open that point cloud project, and we have full building, outside and inside information. Let's do this one window. So we need to clip our box, use clip by rectangle tool to make it faster. It's clipped, but not in a proper way. Let's move a little bit. Okay, we can rotate it by approximate wall direction to make it easy clipping later in that way. We have window. Let's cut it somewhere in the middle to see the profiles and directions from a top. We need to define axis according to our window direction. So let's find out wall direction and draw a plane, push and pull it a little bit, and align axis using top plane. Align axis, that blue axis is going up, so this box is not needed anymore. And we have cut plane here of a window. As we see, profiles and 3 equal distances. Let's draw first profile here, copy those lines and mirror it to have same lines. Move to needed place, connect, and we will have a first profile. This should be the same. This is a little bit different, but the distance between them, I think it's the same. Let's find out. About 48. And here also about 48. Let's have 48. Here 48. This profile is not exactly. Let's use one side of that profile to have the same angles and lines here, and also this one, and we will connect and have one side. Let's copy and mirror it as we used before. Now we have all the horizontal profiles. Let's move them down to the point cloud. Let's make a whole view of window. The plan is to make perimeter of window, then use this profile with the follow me tool to create perimetrical profile, create those 2 profiles and this horizontal profile. So let's draw rectangle. I'm not sure what's here. Also up way and down here somewhere. Well, not here, but a little bit down. Should be here. And connect. Now we have rectangle. Let's see from front view. Should be good. If you're not sure, let's do follow me tool. This profile probably doesn't need it. We need only one side. Let's do our extrusion. Let's see from side view if it fits. Yes, up fits also. And from a plan view, what's the situation? It also fits. So now we have those 2 vertical profiles. We need to have this one horizontal. So let's copy this profile and simply rotate it. Just switch needed axis by 90 degrees. Point cloud, move a little bit down, just a little bit. And now we can extrude or push and pull. First one horizontal profile, and later on 2 vertical. Let's make intersection of faces and delete all unnecessary lines from outside, and also we will see what's inside. We will also delete unnecessary lines inside. Let's make it to look transparent. So those unnecessary and so on. To have a cleaner model, this here also. I'm not sure. And up. So we deleted all unnecessary lines. Now we can make a quick review what we have done. From plan view it fits okay. From side view also we can move forward. Let's do this one segment and this down and up, and well, when we will have those two we can copy to other sides as we did before, equal parts. So this would be not a problem. But let's firstly create this one element as a group. Draw rectangle and push. Let's see from a top view where we have to stop somewhere here, approximately here. But let's see from a top if it's right. Yes, right. We have to push it here also deeper. Let's see from a top view. Here, yes, like this. This plane we have. We do the same operations for upper part. Draw rectangle. Let's switch off a little bit and push and pull to exact same place. Let's see from a top view, transparent view. Looks normal. Now we can draw those vertical and horizontal lines and create here openings according to the frame. So at first I will make offset here by 6 and here by 4. Let's measure approximate distance of a profile. Let it be 3. Let's do it symmetrical. So draw midpoint and copy it 1.5 this direction and 3 this direction. Now we have symmetrical, and let's draw horizontal line. Delete some lines to copy downwards here. Delete unneeded lines. Do we have now simple squares? Do the same thing for upper part. Line by midpoint, copy it, delete unneeded lines, draw horizontal line of profile. Now it's drawn, and upway by 3. Delete unnecessary lines and copy profile into right place here. Delete unnecessary lines as we did before. We will have same situation here and here. We simply push and pull those squares to create openings like that, and each one, so that we could have a view of a frame. A little bit left, and let's see from a point cloud. Now it looks in a proper way. Let's switch off a little bit height, and let's make those as a groups to easy copy on height all. Now we have this one group, big one group, and those two smaller groups. Those elements are the same, and we did before equal distances, so let's just simply copy it by using 1 point. It has to fit right. We have window almost done. You can explode group and create one single group to copy this window to other same. If you're not sure if it fits to point cloud, you can use model inspection tool. Just set your settings. Here green color shows that it fits good. Red one doesn't fit to our face, so, but it's good. And here it's good. Also, you can see from a plan view using transparency, from a top view and from a side view. So that's it. The window is done.